So Olivia, what is your project? Tell me.
I have to make a permanent magnet.
Permanent magnet
हाँ
or
permanent.
temporary magnet?
Permanent, I guess. আমি তোমাকে ফটো পাঠিয়েছি টপিকের।
Permanent magnet.
Permanent, temporary.
Not permanent, temporary.
Temporary then. हाँ temporary, हाँ temporary.
Let me see what you have said.
ये जो
Temporary magnet.
Okay, yes.
So what is temporary magnet? Tell me.
Temporary magnet.
Which is not permanent is temporary.
Yes.
Means it will be magnet for some time and then it becomes iron. Okay. So how can we create a temporary?
Temporary.
So let us understand the physics behind it. Okay. So we will create temporary magnet. So what is the science behind it? Okay. Now the science is, suppose you have a coil, you have a wire, okay, in the form of coil. Now when current passes through this coil, then because of this current, magnetic field gets created. Along the axis of this coil, we get a magnetic field. So a circular coil carrying current is equivalent to a magnet. One side of the coil will serve as North Pole, other side will serve as the South Pole. Okay. So when current flows, then we get a magnet. So what we will do, we will take a nail, iron nail like this. This is iron nail, or we can take a heavy nail, thicker nail like this. Okay. Now we have to pass a current through this. Okay. So for passing current, we need a source of potential. We need a battery. So you can use these rechargeable batteries, or we have a DC battery. These are rechargeable
batteries.
Okay, so we can use this. Now this battery will generate current. Okay. So battery has positive and negative, and we need to flow that current, we need a conducting medium. Okay. So we can choose this unused wire. Okay.
Yes.
To cut this wire, we need a plus. Okay, so let us cut this. Like this. Now, first of all, we will try with the cover of this coil if it is possible for us to generate current or not. Okay. So inside this cap, inside this cover of plastic, what we have? We have copper wire. Okay.
Copper wire.
And copper is good conductor of electricity. So what is the principle? When current passes through a coil, then along the axis of the coil, okay, we get a magnetic field. Okay. So this magnetic field, when an iron or a nail, a piece of iron subjected to such a magnetic field, then the molecules of the magnet, okay, align in a particular direction. Okay. So this unidirectional alignment creates a magnetic field. So we think that. So do you have safety pin? How can you understand whether it become a magnet or not? To understand that part, we need some iron article. Okay.
So should I bring a safety pin?
You bring a safety pin.
How many?
One safety pin is enough. Just to understand whether it is really becoming a magnet or not. this is a copper wire. Okay, let us try to so we have taken a
Is
wire.
it okay if it's a bit rusted? A bit, like very
It's a
bit.
safety pin, okay, so you have to use with care. Now this is a wire and this is the iron nail, okay. So what I will do, I will try to make it a coil like this. So that this type of coil is called solenoid. What is a solenoid? A solenoid is a coil basically. So let us bind this. So this, see how it looks like. Okay, so theory you can understand, no?
Yes.
Like how we just reverse of this effect. If we continuously move a coil inside a magnet, it creates some electricity. It creates electricity. Like in dynamo, what happens between two poles, between north and south pole, a coil is rotated. So the magnetic field creates current. Similarly, the reverse effect is current can also create magnetic field.
Oh.
So okay. So in dynamo, what happens when a coil is rotated between the north pole and south pole of a magnet, then the coil develops current.
Yes.
Okay. This is called induced EMF, induced voltage. So now these are the two ends. What I will do, now if you touch it, whether it is attracting, no. So if you touch it, whether it is attracting,
No.
it is not attracting. Okay. Now what I will do,
You'll take a battery.
I will take a battery. Okay. So one end of this battery is connected with this, and other end of the battery is connected with this. Okay. Now we try to touch this. Okay, I have to use it in a proper way. Okay, I'm holding like this. Okay. Now you touch this.
Which?
Septical. Is it attracting?
Maybe, I don't know. No, it's not.
Not attracting?
No.
No, you can check it. Now check it. No, it's- Now try to, you keep it here. Acha, this is very heavy, no? Now it is not attracting, okay? Check it, not attracting. Now when I touch it, now you try to touch it. Yes! Attracting, na?
Yes.
So it's a magnet.
Wait.
Now I will make it a switch system also. You don't have to. Now you see sticky behavior of this nail. So this nail, this coil, when the current is passing through the coil, what is happening? Each loop of this coil is equivalent to a magnet. A current carrying loop, current carrying coil is equivalent to a magnet. So this loop is creating magnetic field. This loop is creating magnetic field. This also creating magnetic field. but the direction of current flow is unidirectional. So this induces EMF on this induces EMF on this. This type of phenomena, where one loop induces current EMF on the other EMF means voltage. Okay, for your standard EMF means voltage. So and voltage is required for it. Okay, so this is called self-induction. Okay, so because of the self-induction, so a unidirectional magnetic field is created along the axis of this coil. Okay, now this unidirectional magnetic field aligns all the molecules, okay, of this iron bar in a particular direction. Now what is happening, if you take simply this nail iron bar, it is not a magnet. You can see it is not a magnet. Okay, but if you pass current through a coil, then what happens, all the atoms, okay, all the atoms are aligned in a particular direction because of this external magnetic field applied on it. As a result of it, what is happening, it is becoming a magnet. Now why it is temporary magnet? Now if you try to touch it, are you feeling any sticky thing like this? Try to touch it?
No.
It means it has a temporary effect. It is a magnet as long as current is flowing. The moment you stop flowing current, it becomes a
Normal screw.
normal screw, normal nail, normal iron bar. So where is the applied physics in it? Where we can use such things? We use in a doorbell, calling bell. So what happens? The moment you press the switch, it becomes a magnet. Because it is a magnet, it attracts a iron hammer. And the moment the hammer gets attracted, there is a bell inside this, just below this. So when this hammer is attracted, then it hits the bell, and you hear the calling bell sound. Okay, so temporary magnet is used in a doorbell, in a calling bell, correct? Now I will do this experiment again. So any side of this battery, one is positive side, other is negative
So
side.
how will I show it to my mom? Like, won't my hand get warm?
Okay, so what you have to do, you cannot again and again touch this. Okay, so you have to use a switch. So I can put a switch. So the moment you switch on, the circuit will get completed, and when the circuit gets completed, current will start flowing through this coil. Okay. Now bring the scissor. Now you will start. Now with this, you will understand how to connect a switch. Because each time manually you cannot. Do you want to repeat this exercise again? Just hold it like this.
Yes.
And one, you experience again. Okay. Now I am not touching it. Okay.
Don't want to touch it.
Now you try to connect.
This no. Wait.
No. It is touched. No, connect.
Because नहीं हाँ नहीं छोई नहीं এই জায়গাটা হচ্ছে না ও গরম হয়ে যাবে কিন্তু
It is becoming hot. Now.
It's not happening. What is it?
Okay. Now you try.
I'll hold this now. I'll hold this and you hold the battery.
Okay. Now you try. No, you try to touch it.
It's not happening.
No. Not available.
Should I bring a smaller
No.
tape lage dao na?
The tape I have, this is the tape that I use for permanent fixing. Not right, not. Okay. Now try. Now you try. এদিক থেকে
Yes, it's okay.
Yes, it is magnet, no?
Yes.
So now this because this is getting short circuited, na? You are connecting directly this. That is why
It's
it
getting
becomes
hot.
hot, and this battery get discharged very soon. Okay, so you should momentarily touch it. Okay, and then you should show. Now, can you do one more thing? Instead of uh, passing this current through this, I can use this thick nail and let us see what happens.
Maybe you need to do it properly now because last time.
Let us try to do this. I will make a thicker coil of it. But you feel the sticky thing, correct? So do you have pin? Pin?
What?
Normal pin, notice board pin.
Yes.
So you bring that pin because safety pin looks heavier to me.
Here. Will this work?
Let us try now.
Let's do it slowly.
I'll do one thing. I'll take a bigger one so that I can have proper. So how to cut it? There is a sharp edge here. Okay. Put it in between and just press it. So you can cut it.
But how will you bring out the...
So now in order to bring the copper wire from it, okay, you can do one thing.
Is it too long? Yes, it's too long. Try to make it short, a little bit shorter because the needle is only like small.
Okay. So now when you are opening this gap now, see how I am doing it.
And then you just...
Now see. So you can find it.
Dhire. You want... Oh, wow, okay.
Now this is one end of it. Okay.
Yeah, but make it smaller now.
Which one?
like one end you are बहुत अनेक बड़ा हो जाता है जिनिसটা
हाँ तो I will make it a coil ना.
okay
Now in order to avoid this connection you can use a switch for it.
yes.
So as long as switch is on, it will become magnet. But this type of switch, which keeps it a magnet, these are as long as you are pressing this switch, then current will flow. The moment of stop pressing, the switch comes back to its original position. Have you seen calling bell switch? It is not like this. This switch is different. Means on means permanently on. Off means permanently off. So this type of switch is not suitable for this device.
Battery discharge हो जाता है
Yes, battery will get discharged. So what type of switch you need? As long as you are pressing, current will flow. The moment of you remove your thumb, it will come back to its original position because of the spring. Okay, so that switch is good for this. But we have this switch. Let us use it. तो এটা রেকর্ড করেছিস কি?
yes there
But you should understand that how current flow can induce magnetic field. This knowledge you should have.
yes how
This
long
is called
does
magnetic effect of current. This is called
magnetic
effect of current.
how long does this stay like warm
It will stay warm for some time, then it will cool down. Now you can measure the voltage, how it is getting discharged. You can measure the voltage initially using the multimeter, and after the current passed through it, heat is generated and battery got discharged. And you can again measure it, that if the voltage of this battery reduced or not. Here you have to make a good judgment when to open this, because we are not a habituated electrician. Those electricians, they have a different device. With that device, it cuts only the plastic part of it. Okay. So I have seen this device, but I have a plus, so I have to use my plus and this one. Okay. Now I will try a bigger magnet, a thicker magnet. Give me that nail. So now let us take this. See how I am coiling, how the coil is getting generated. Okay. So you have to do your own. Don't wait for Papa to do all this. Okay. Correct. Now it's a better one.
yes but I think you got like okay no problem then no this will not touch it yes it
No, first of all, you bring your pin.
do it carefully no
Now try to touch, before try to touch the iron. Is it attracting?
no
No. Now I will pass current and see. No. Now you touch.
yes
It is happening?
yes it is
Again try. Is it attracting? No.
no
Now I am passing current.
it is
Yes. So as see, now keep it sticked. Now it is sticking.
yes
Leave it. Now I am removing, then automatically it will get dropped.
Hmm.
See, I can keep it in a hanging position just to show you that it is really a magnet. No, keep the battery here. So I want it to be like in this position, okay? So that you can this battery will remain in a this.
But won't it get discharged very soon then?
Then you take another battery. I have another battery for you.
Oh, okay, okay. No, it's okay.
Where is that battery? This is one more battery is there, okay?
3 more. 2 more.
No, no.
You got only 2, no?
No, there is one more battery I have. I got it. Okay. Let us first try with this. Keep a spare battery with him. Okay. Not like this. Now, what you have to do?
I've got to take this.
Okay, leave it. Now you try to touch that pin. Try to touch that pin. It is attracting.
No.
So this pin is heavier, so it cannot suspend because of magnetic field. Okay. Is it attracting? Not attracting. Okay. Now you try to touch it.
Wait.
Now try to touch it.
No, it's not getting. Maybe.
No, what will happen? No, see.
Nope. नहीं हो रहा.
I can fix one side of it, okay? What I can do now? I coin it like this and give that tape, black tape.
Should I cut it? You need a
To give
thin
that
one
black.
now.
Now just no, that is okay, don't cut it.
Okay, I did. Do you need this or this?
Both. Just stick it so that it can hold it, okay? Make one more here. Now see. Okay, so now it is fixed. Don't fix the other side, okay?
Yes, then the battery will get drained.
Discharge very sure. Now I will connect with it. Now see. Now this part is fixed. Now you try to connect this pin with this nail.
Yes.
One more.
Do not hold that second.
Okay. Now,
Dhire.
this is the nail.
Yes.
See what is happening?
Yes, I did.
Now again I am trying.
Yes.
The moment I am disconnecting, it is become a nail. When I am connecting, it becomes a magnet. So it is called temporary magnet.
Magnet.
Okay.
Yes.
So temporary magnet, the use of temporary magnet in case of calling bell. Okay. Now, if this battery gets discharged, now do you have to submit this system to your school?
Yes.
So then you.
Like I don't know because it said that you have to show a working model. So I think ma'am will probably keep it. So I think we should use the normal batteries that Duracell and all.
See where is the. Just check if that battery is there in that table, study table.
it's not there.
Okay. So what I can do, I
Do you,
can make it
do
a
you want to
switch
go
light.
up and check?
Do you have LED light?
LED light.
LED.
No, I submitted it. যেটা তুমি গেছিল এটা আমি সাবমিট করে দিয়েছি।
Now bring a screwdriver.
Driver
A
or screw?
screwdriver. If you want a switch system model, then I have to connect it, correct?
আমাকে একটু রাতে থাকতে হবে, এটা লাস্টের চ্যাপ্টারটা বাকি আছে একটু।
Now which side of this battery is on position, which side is not on position? Okay, let us see. This symbol indicates this is the right.
Wait,
What is written here?
give me now. Check and see. Roma.
Roma, na? It is this side, no? Roma is
Do like this once. There's something here, or is it just that I'm imagining?
it is Roma. Okay, means if you press it, it is on. How to understand that switch is on or off? Now, when you press it, this is on. If you press it, this is off. Okay. So now, how to connect a switch with this? That you should understand. Okay. Now, what I will do? One end of this coil, I will connect it with this. So this screwdriver has two parts. One is this is for opening the star screw. Okay, and this is for opening the normal screw. Okay. So what I will do on the normal screw, so I have to first of all see what I am doing now. I have to make it loose. Now how to connect a switch? You try to understand this. How to connect a switch? Yeah.
Should I bring another one?
No, this is okay. Nas na jang nahi aanga.
Oh.
If it happens, it will happen like this. No.
Hey,
Now it will happen. So, Fit করছে কেন? Do you have another screwdriver?
Yes, I have. I said no.
Can Olivia?
Yes, I brought two. Let me just close the door.
This one.
Is it okay?
It is okay.
धीरे.
You don't use the switch. You do one thing. Connect it like this. Now use the tape. Cover this one.
Just a second.
Cover this one.
Full?
Completely.
I have to cut more.
Good. This is sufficient.
Waited
No
one
need,
second.
no need. This is okay, sufficient. So what you have done, you have covered that.
धीरे
You have
धीरे.
connected. Now, you do one thing. So this is a solenoid. This is called solenoid. Okay. Now, this is permanently fixed here. This thing I can connect as per my wish. Okay. Now you ask your friend to put a safety pin here. Okay. Now you try to do this exercise. Now see, not safety pin, that pin, because this safety pin is heavier. Okay. Try to touch it. Is it attracting?
No.
Now I will connect it and try. Is it attracting?
Yeah. Wait. It is actually. Do it upside down. Bas. Now it will happen.
Okay. Now try.
3, 2, 1. Yes.
Now
Leave it.
Leave it. Then it goes. So
Now I
sit
got
down.
it.
Now, but only the precaution that you have to take, you cannot
Touch.
keep it connecting for a long time. Otherwise, the entire battery will get heated and this battery will discharge.
But
Now, what is the voltage of this battery? Now, bring the multimeter. You see what is the voltage. There is a
But you
multimeter
should
device.
use this batteries now.
Now, if you have to submit this battery, then use normal battery.
Yes, I have to submit it. So I have to submit it. So
Now, see what is the battery voltage.
connect it.
How to see the voltage? Is a multimeter. Now, you connect with 20 volt. Okay.
Which is the positive, which is the negative?
The red one is positive, the black one is negative. Now see what is the battery positive, which part of this is positive, which part is negative. So normally the head part, this is positive and this is negative. Okay. So connect with this. See the multimeter reading here. Okay. You can see this multimeter. And this is a backlight also. Okay. Now see
120, yes, 120.
1.21 volt. It is not 120, it is 1.21 volt. Okay. So the voltage of this battery is 1.21 volt. Okay. So you can measure. So when it is a dead battery, then the voltage will reduce to 0 or less 0.8, 0.7. So this is a normal battery. Okay. So if you have to submit it, then don't use this rechargeable battery.
Yes,
okay?
I have to submit it.
So do one thing. You have to this thing. Now remove this cap. Now fit it. Now say before connecting this battery, whether this battery is okay or not, you can see from this. There is a stand. There's a stand here. Okay. Now see what is the voltage. Now how to open the battery? You just open the soft part.
Yeah.
Sorry. Now connect positive part with positive, negative with positive. Now see the voltage. What is the voltage?
0.65.
1.65.
1.6.
1.65. Okay. Now connect one side of it permanently. You can make it here. This is the
No, like make it this. No?
Which one? This part?
Yes. Should I attach more tape?
Yes. Make it a permanent piece.
Wait, where is the tape?
Fix it permanently. So that again and again you don't have to connect it. One side you fix permanently, other side you have to touch. This is a brand new battery, huh?
Yes. I have to carry
No.
this pin around.
Now let us try to do this.
Do it, yes. Or we have to take a smaller
No,
pin.
take this one, no problem. Also, one more thing. If this coil is opening up, you can fix it with some
tape. Should I? No, let's just first check now.
correct.
If
Now this is okay. Now try to connect with this. Now connect this without this. Nothing. Huh? I am trying to connect it now.
3, 2, 1. No, it's not happening.
Maybe
Put it
this-
upside down or something.
Not happening.
No. Maybe we need a bigger battery.
No. This battery is more. The battery is the voltage of this battery is sufficient. Only there is a loose connection. This connection is not proper. That is why it is not given. So what I have to do now? Let us connect with this.
Yes, wait, let me attach tape.
But you have to take.
No, the brand new one. Okay, fine.
If you use solder oil, now let us try to do check. Now you try to connect. Is it a magnet? No. Now you try.
No, it's not. Something is wrong.
It is becoming. Now you try. This time you try.
What's happening here? Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe we need to get a smaller one or something. Do you have bigger batteries or something?
No, it is not because of bigger battery or smaller battery. This battery is also a good battery. It will work. Only the thing is this, you have to connect in a proper way.
দীপা ম্যামও ম্যাথস করায়।
Now we connect it. Wait, take that.
আচ্ছা ঠিক।
না মোনালি না যতটা করেছিল স্কুলের জন্য কিছু করিয়েছিল।
And this is
মোনালি রিজু ভাইয়াকে কি ম্যাথস করাতে দেখেছি কিছুই করতে না। ঠিক আছে আমি দিয়েছি আর কি পড়াতো ও আমাকে ভালো করে পড়াই নিয়ে গেছে স্কুলের জন্য কিছু করিয়েছে এমপিএসসি তো কিছু করে।
Chal. Now let us try. Let us do one more time. Connect with
না
it.
আমি খালি এসএসটিটা করতে পারি।
Ah.
সায়েন্স আর ম্যাথস আমার ঠিক ছিল আর
Something is wrong.
পুরো করে বাকি এসএসটির জন্য
Should I try attempt you to?
কত পেয়েছি সায়েন্সে মনে নেই।
It's heating up, then why is it happening?
Now you do.
What did you do?
No, let it be there. I need a something to hold it. Okay. So what can hold it? Bring a rubber.
Monali
Gutter.
Monali gutter de na.
Go and bring one gutter.
নে যে 2 মিনিটে খাবার দেব কাটার না মোনালি আরে ওই কাছে তো কাজ আমার আরে এটাতে একটু আছে অনেক কিছু সাবান বাবা কাপড় পরছে আমাদের এখান থেকে একটু সাবান দিয়ে দে কোনখানে ওয়াশিং মেশিন কোনখানে
This gutter will hold this coil tightly. Now you try.
What's happened now? Something wrong with it. Maybe we should use a smaller.
This will work.
Then just
Keep it like this. And then now you try. Happening?
no. আরেকবার তুমি ব্যাটারিটা রাখো অন্য ব্যাটারিটা জানি না
This will work. Okay. One side is positive, other side is negative. Okay. This is positive side. Now connect.
nope
So bring the safety pin. Connect it.
no let me connect it very well
Acha. Now you hold it. Let me try.
yeah
You hold this.
এই থালাগুলোতে জল দেওয়া হয়ে গেছে।
You hold this. Touch it. I'm touching it. Okay. No. Try to touch it.
জলদি।
উপরে করো ম্যাগনেটটা। I'll help you, wait.
টাচ কর এদিক থেকে
It's not happening.
ওইদিকে টাচ কর
কোন দিকে?
ওই সাইড এটা রিপেল করছে নাকি
রিপেল মানে
অ্যাট্রাক্টের অপোজিট
মনে তো ওইটাই হচ্ছে
দেখো
হচ্ছে না
ওদিকে রিপেল করছে না এই সেফটি পিনটা নেই এই তো এটা কানেক্ট হচ্ছে না সেফটি পিনটা নেই
Yes, it's sticking. উপরে করো জিনিসটা নিচে থেকে ধরছি
তুই কর না
এটাতে হচ্ছে folded form, you know.
ওইখানে কেন
আর এটা নামাও তো নিচে Why is it not working?
পিনটা নেই
পিনটা তো রিপেল করছে আবার
আর রুটি নিয়ে নি
রিপেল করছে
রিপেল করছে কি
হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা তো কয়েলটার উপরে রাখতে টাচ করছে কানেক্ট করছে
কয়েল
আচ্ছা তুই এটাকে টাচ কর আমি এটাকে দেখছি অ্যাট্রাক্ট হয়েছে কি না হ্যাঁ দেখ হয়েছে কি না
তো এটা লাস্টের মধ্যে কেন হচ্ছে না লাস্টে কি হয়ে গেল
তরকারি আছে ও আছে আমার
এটা রিপেল করছে এটা দাদা ব্যাটারিটা ডিসচার্জ হয়ে যাচ্ছে না
এটা ধোয়া সব ধোয়া
কাজ করছে ওই ব্যাটারিটাকে আবার নিয়ে আসছে
Yes. Problem was with the battery.
Okay, touch karo.
See, I told you it was. তাহলে আমি ম্যামকে কি বলছি?
Let me do the same thing. আমি ব্যাটারিটা করি।
কোন ব্যাটারিটা? ওটা প্রচন্ড গরম।
ঠিক আছে চলো এবার দেখ
রিপেল করছে
আচ্ছা তাহলে উল্টো দিক করছে সব
রিপেল করছে না এটা ব্যাটারি প্রবলেম
এই ব্যাটারিটা হচ্ছে না একেবারে দেখ
Yes, see now.
Okay.
Take this. It even holds this. তো আমি ম্যামকে বলে দিচ্ছি ম্যাম তুমি এটা নিয়ে নিতে পারো বাট ব্যাটারিটা দিয়ে দাও বিকজ ওটা রিচার্জেবল ম্যাম বুঝতে তো পারবে অফকোর্স রিচার্জ
এটা তোকে দিয়ে দিতে হবে কি মডেলটা
আর জিজ্ঞেস করছি ম্যামকে মেসেজ করি কি
আচ্ছা এই ব্যাটারিটাই হচ্ছে ওই ব্যাটারিটা হচ্ছে না এটা না
বলেছিলাম ব্যাটারি নিয়ে প্রবলেম তুই বলছিল বর্তমানে প্রবলেম নেই সে হ্যাভ বিগ ব্রেনস নাও
I understand you have big man. Now I have to connect it. আচ্ছা এটাকে আমি তাহলে তোকে কি করি এটাকে this I have to give you the entire system I have to give you, okay?
Yes.
So now
Connected.
how will you demonstrate it? So
I'll take these two and then
Now keep it here. Okay.
keep polo.
Pop it.
Oh, extremely sorry. Look at that. Now I will show mom.
Now they
This.
show.
This is
Now
the
Olivia
battery.
ultimately performing a
Yes. This is the battery. Okay.
দাঁড়া আমি তোকে দেখাচ্ছি
See. Wait. I'll do this.
Now Olivia has done a
Wonderful.